Hi, my name is Valerie Leisure. I'm the Director of Physical Therapy here at Arkansas Surgical Hospital. I'm going to be reviewing some how-tos for your mobility after surgery. If you are having a total knee replacement, your surgeon might order a knee CPM machine to use after surgery. CPM stands for Continuous Passive Motion. We will adjust this machine while you're here in the hospital to make sure it properly fits your leg. Once you get home, some key points when you're putting this machine on is making sure the natural bend of your knee, which you can feel behind the knee, lines up with this hinge of the machine. And then just Velcro the foot in. Every machine comes with a remote. You will be given instructions based on your surgeon's preference on how often you're to increase the bend of the machine and how often you'll do it per day. On this remote, you're only going to adjust this bent knee icon. You have to press in and turn to get that number to change. You will adjust that number based on the protocol given to you here at the hospital. All these other settings you'll want to leave the way they are set at the hospital. You will only adjust this one with the bent knee icon. The red button at the bottom is a start and stop button for your motion. If the motion stops while you're in it, as a safety feature, you might have pressed one of these knobs in. If that happens, just hit your red button again to get it started. We do have two models here. While the adjustment and fit of the machine is the same, the remotes do look slightly different. If you receive this model, the only button you will adjust, again, is this bent knee icon. On this one, once you press and hold that button down, it will display the current setting. And you have to continue to hold that button to use these up and down arrows to change it. Again, based on your surgeon's protocol given to you at the hospital. The other three buttons you will leave the same number they are set here at the hospital. And the red button is also a start and stop button. You will take this machine home for 3 weeks following your surgery. If you have any mechanical issues with this machine during your recovery, there is a number located on the machine that you can call for customer support.